To tell you the truth, this process is so stressful, but it's well worth it. All things are hard before they get easy. It's been very trendy amongst my generation for people to want to be their own boss, but they have no idea of the stress that comes with it. As Elon Musk said, you get paid in direct proportion to the problem that you solve. So if you're providing a solution to a small problem, then you should expect to get compensated accordingly. Building a house is not an easy task. There's so many parts, and if you don't know what you're doing, it's going to be very complicated. But this process definitely builds your character, and it's well worth it. I think there's a lot more people that should take on this task because it teaches you so much. As I said, building a house isn't easy, but it's simple. And once you understand the inner workings of the structure, then there's so much that you can do with it. Because the lack of understanding makes the mind oblivious to opportunities. Once you have an understanding, the mind can get creative and create new solutions. Before I took on this project, I was reading a ton of books, so I had a pretty good understanding of how to invest in real estate. But I had no idea how to build a house, especially in a completely different country. But it was the perfect opportunity and it was the right time. So I just dove in head first. And to be honest, in the beginning, I had no idea what I was getting myself into. I was just excited for the adventure. And I haven't even finished yet, but seeing this place come together has been a very rewarding experience. In the beginning, this place was a disgrace, but it's already starting to look like a new place. In life, there's three ways that you can acquire things. You can buy, build, or inherit. You see, when you inherit things, you didn't necessarily have to earn it. It was just passed down to you. So you're not necessarily going to cherish that item the same way the person that built it or bought it did. Now, when you buy something, you had to work hard for the capital that you earned in order to acquire that item. So you're going to cherish that item a lot more than you would if you were to inherit that item. But now when you build something, there's a certain amount of pride and joy that you associate with that item because you invested your time, your money, blood, sweat, tears, and your emotions because this thing gonna take you up and through there. It's an emotional roller coaster. When people look at it and they admire your work, it's gonna make you feel good about yourself. Because real estate is really just a reflection of who you are and how you think. It starts off in the heart, and we use our mind to manifest it. I'm gonna be honest with you. When you put yourself through a situation like this, it's going to uplift your spirit. And you'll realize that you can do anything that you put your mind to. To keep it real, this is gonna be my greatest accomplishment thus far. Nothing that I have done in my life compares to this. I'll go first in my family to graduate college. Ooh, I got a degree. Right now, I'm building a foundation and I'm gonna get my family off the plantation. And now I gotta step the game up. So I gotta aim up. I ain't reaching for the stars no more. I'm trying to get to Pluto. Just tell me what I gotta do though. But on a serious note, do not let minor setbacks deter you from your destination because it's just a minor setback for a major comeback. The pain you're feeling here does not compare to the joy that is coming. So keep drumming. Keep drumming in that bed. Keep jumping in that bed. Make a call in that bed. You hurt me. A lot of people don't realize that they're capable of a lot more. You just have to set your mind free so that you can see. And I'm going to close with this. The safest bet that you could take is on yourself because no one cares about you more than you. And it's about that time. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.